Hey, what is up guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's talk about the rise of expert beginners in AI era. So I've been talking about cloud providers and like Vercel and third-party authentication systems, and I've been heavily against them until now. The so-called the merchants of complexity, and I've been wrong about this, or I haven't thought about the whole picture. Let me explain. AI is creating a new breed of developers or coders who can pretty quickly spin up a project or a application without really having deep or any engineering knowledge. And this opens up a new kind of business opportunities. So let me give you a little background. It is estimated that there is 26 million developers as of right now, and AI is bringing up a new sets of or new breed of developers. So I wouldn't be surprised if we double this amount by another 26 million very soon. And this brings up another sets of opportunities because these new developers here, they don't give a fuck about engineering. They use AI tools and no code tools to build applications quickly. And that's the way it is. Just like we use PHP or JavaScript or Java to build applications, we're not using C anymore. Um, and yeah, you may love it or hate it, but as soon as you accept this, you may see the new business opportunities, right? So since we know that these 26 new developers are using or doesn't have any engineering skills, then we can start building applications for these new sets of uh, customers. So this is what Vercel and other applications, I mean, service providers are betting on. They're not serving these old people. They are, but they're betting that these new sets of uh, new, the top of the funnel developers wants to use. So imagine this: if you, as of right now, want to build an AI app, you use probably some sort of Next.js starter kit, and you just consume APIs, right? You know how to consume APIs. API consumption is super easy. So if we're, so my idea is this for probably for you and my next product is that you serve these new people by building APIs, right? They know how to use APIs. You serve those no code tools. So you compress this complexity into easy to consume APIs. Because imagine if you go to a typical uh, company, let's say you go to the office of a construction company. You walk into the office and you see Sally, right? You see her, and she has old PC with trash computer using an Excel. And that's your typical B2B user, not an high-tech developer like you and me. So ease of use is extremely important. So you have to have like a developer friendly documentation so you can consume it easily. I've seen it. I've seen it with my eyes. They just how they reject the product if the product is too difficult to understand. You need to have this aha moment within like 15 minutes of entering your app. Steve Jobs once said, if your customer needs a user manual, you have failed in design. So take it what it is, but In this video, I'm just sharing you the new market opportunity in between the old school or the traditional developers and the new developers. You can, for example, I just saw a screenshot API or a scraping API. There is so many new opportunities once you comprehend that these new sets of developers doesn't give a fuck about engineering. They have no desire jumping from expert beginner to senior level. They just don't care about those things. Just like they cannot imagine a life without or life before the smartphone. And yeah, take it what it is. I'm here to just share. And personally, I spent quite some time lately to think about this. So that's about it for today's video, and see you in the next video. Bye.